Range there. Must be that gap through the nettles. I'm going to stay very quiet for this one because there's a house next door. I don't know the history, I don't know nothing about it, but it does look pretty good. There's a house just there. We'll both walk across together, yeah? Ready? Go. Hey. Go. Well, that's different. Like an old Fiat or something, isn't it? Car on there. I don't know if this is abandoned, sort of like tracks in there. Hey? I know. Done on the map was more cars. What? Chimneys?
Yeah. Is it?
I think that's it. Bizarre. Right, well, on the map it looked like there was more cars here, but we'll walk through that old barnyard again. I don't know why this one's pinned. I don't think it's abandoned, is it? More tractors. Do you reckon that one's still in use? I think that one is because it's got a trailer on it. That old Ferguson, that's a nice one, that, isn't it?
That's beautiful. So we've got some old tractors in here, that's why it's pinned on the map. Some old tractors that are being maybe restored. I don't think these are abandoned. I really don't. These are too nice. Two more under the covers there. So, yeah, that's that. Nice tractors. Did you hear that voice earlier? Bit of an iffy, that one. I had it pinned, but I don't think it's abandoned. There's a house next to it. There's 2 cars. There's that black one, there's a red one right at the front. I don't know, maybe the house is abandoned as well. I'll drive past and have a slow look.